Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Townhome Splash Pool Barbecue Free Water Park. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free parking, free Wi-Fi and a restaurant. Townhome Splash Pool Barbecue Free Water Park located in Kissimmee, 10 miles from Disney's Animal Kingdom and 11 miles from Disney's Blizzard Beach Water Park. Townhome Splash Pool Barbecue Free Water Park provides accommodations with amenities such as free Wi-Fi and a TV. Including a private pool, this vacation home also has a restaurant. The air-conditioned vacation home is composed of 5 separate bedrooms, a fully equipped kitchen with a dishwasher and a microwave, and 4 bathrooms. Towels and bed linen are available in this accommodation. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.